Welcome friends to my channel nirajkapase. So today we are going to see Dell Inspiron 1545 keyboard replacement. So I have Dell here. So the keyboard is damaged, so the keys are not here, so we need to replace this keyboard. Okay, so I have bought the keyboard from Amazon. So I got the box pack like this. So it is a keyboard. It is OEM keyboard actually. It is not original one, but it fits to the same laptop. Okay, on the back side it is having a strip, so we need to connect this strip to the laptop. So I'm going to show you how you can replace this keyboard of Dell 1545. Okay, we'll start with removing the keyboard. So we need to remove this keyboard first. So just turn your laptop, remove the battery. So first of all remove the battery, then remove these two screws. After that, two screws you need to remove it from here. Then remove this panel at the back. So remove all the screws. So under this we can have RAM and ROM and hard disk. So we can remove this socket. Okay, there's too much dirt inside, so we need to remove this as well. Because of the fan, it sucks all the things. We need to remove the dirt and clean it. Okay, so here the RAM is available, so we can remove the RAM and clean this as well. So just turn like this, so to remove the RAM. Okay, here the main processor is there and Wi-Fi module. Okay, and remove these screws. So I have removed all the back panel screws. Right, now flip the laptop. Right, turn this on. But to remove this strip, the Inspiron is written. So you have to use this hinge and then just pull it up. Now you need to remove this strip. So here it is the hinge available. So we need to remove this hinge and just remove this top plastic case. Okay. Once you remove it, there are two screws available here. So you have to remove these two screws as well. So you can remove these two screws. This one and this is second. Okay. Now you can lift this keypad. Okay, and pull it like this. Okay, and on the back side there is a strip here. Okay, you have to just turn this strip like this and pull this out. Okay, that's all. This keyboard is removed. Okay, you can clean this particular area and you can fix the new keyboard like this. So you have to flip this Okay, and connect the strip first. So, and press this. It's like this. So you have to fix again these screws and tight it. Okay, so this is about keyboard replacement. Again you have to fix this thing. So before that I will clean the area and then I will connect it. Now we can taste the installed keyboard. Here I am typing the characters. It's working fine. So I can type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So everything is okay. Caps lock, I will try caps lock. Caps lock is working fine. I can tap, tab is working, shift we can do. So keyboard is working fine. Okay, so if you like this particular video, please press like button. If you're not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button. Also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you.